So like in like 3 years from now. So let's look back. What happened to me? What was my life like 3 years ago? 3 years ago, I was 20. No, I was 19. And I was a trainee. And oh, I'm so proud of myself. Kasi 3 years ago, I don't have anything. Like, oh my God, I feel like if 19 years old I would know na in 3 years time, you're gonna you're gonna have um you're gonna go back to school and you're still gonna work, and also you get to financially support yourself on your own. And the fact that I got to rent this place on my own, that's I'm honestly so every time na every time na nagbabayad na ng condo dues, ganun, or bills, parang, actually, napapressure ako kasi, oh my God, ito na naman! It's the payment season of this month. Pero parang, oh my God. Kasi, ang daming mga like, example na kapag move out sila, medyo late na. Pero ako, maybe for some people, it's just right on time, or baka nga iba, late na kasi yung iba din, 18 pa lang. Pero depende din eh. But yeah, I'm so proud of myself because I never knew na I can sustain myself. Or, I hope it's not just ngayon lang kasi 1 year, hindi pa nga nag 1 year. But yeah, I hope 2 more rackets, but I get to sustain myself here. And yeah, it's hard. Adulting life is hard. But it's very fulfilling, honestly. Kasi, alam mo yun, I have a list kasi of parang yung bills ko na parang, okay, check. This month, check. Nabayad na lahat. Check. Ganun. So parang, the more checks I get, the more sense of fulfillment I have. I receive. So parang, wow. Yeah, kasi dati, parang example, bibili na ako ng example, granola, ganun. Parang, oh my God, I bought myself granola. Kasi dati, lang eh, Coco Crunch, ganun. Cereal lang, ganun. Eh, di ba mas mahal yung granola? Di ba? May healthy snack. Di ba? So, parang, the growth. Sana soon, bahay. We'll see. But, yeah.